If you want to unblock a number on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first we're gonna go to the phone app. In here, what you can do is you can go to contacts, for example, and if you have a contact blocked, then you can select that contact over here, go to the eye icon on the right side. Next, we're gonna go to more in the bottom right corner, and here we have the unblock contact option. That is it. You can also go to recents, and if you have a phone number that you recently blocked that called you not so long ago, then of course you can go into that phone number. We can tap on that contact, the phone number, tap on this icon over here on the right side with dots and lines. And then here at the bottom, instead of block, is going to be, of course, unblock. And also, last but not least, we can tap on the three dots that can be in the upper right corner or slightly below over here. And then we can go to settings. Now here in settings, we should be able to find block numbers. And we have the list of all phone numbers that we have blocked on our phone, so we can tap on this minus button on the right side to unblock the selected contact. Leave a like and subscribe.